Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, to give you the State of the Union, we just got back from visiting my husband's parents. They live where we used to live, and so we had left a few boxes there that we just couldn't fit in the car. So we've got boxes that we brought back from there. I have a house inspection tomorrow. It is the middle of the school holidays and the big kids come back tomorrow. What I'm gonna do is tidy this house ready for the inspection. This morning, I did a click and collect order from Coles. So I'm gonna quickly put that away. I'm gonna clean up this face. I'm gonna clean up your face. And then we're gonna get this house under control, and I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you sort of how I do those deep cleaning things. Hopefully that should take under an hour. I also have just some stuff to put away because we bought back all this stuff and I haven't put any of it. Well, I put some of it away, but not like tidied up and all of that jazz. So guys, let's do this. First thing I'm gonna do is put these groceries away. Okay, so I just got the essentials to get us through like the next 4 or 5 days. Some apples. This is just how they come. Don't specify me in the comments. Some strawberries. Oh, they smell really nice. Seriously, after you get back from holidays, click and collect is like a lifesaver. Some veggie sausages, like veggie hot dog type things. Some pumpkin for pumpkin soup. Some frozen mango. It's not as good a job as Aldi, but I need to get some. Some vegan sausage rolls. These, oh my gosh, if you have not tried them, they are dairy-free coconut chocolate ice blocks. Oh, they are $5, but you get 8 in there. They're really good. Oh, banana chunks. Bananas have been ridiculously expensive, so I just bought those for my husband to get him through. This is just chopped spinach. I got like 4 things of that. We use it for smoothies, and I hide it in things. Some stir-fried vegetables. Guys, I actually like these ones a little bit more than the Aldi ones because they don't have those crazy corns. And some tomatoes. So that was, I got some milk and some bread and some cereal, and that was pretty much it. So I think it was like $70, but they picked it out for me. I just ran over this morning. They put it in my car. It was like the best thing ever. So that's done. That's all put away. Now I'm gonna get to tidying up this kitchen, tidying up this little boy, and hopefully we get done early enough in the day that we can go out and have some adventures.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow without this. We're waiting for the
I don't know if rental inspections are just an Australian thing or whether they're a worldwide thing, but here in Australia, if you rent, they come and just check that you're clean and are who you say you are and don't have pets if you haven't told them about it or whatever. So in saying that, they could probably come through my house on any day and be just fine with it, but I always like to take the opportunity to make sure that everything is really, really clean when they come through. That way, it sets it up for a nice relationship with them. So today I am sort of compiling all of my little 15-minute cleans into one day. And so any of these jobs that I do on this day, I would usually do as part of my daily routine, but you're going to see them all in one big shebang.
Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for.
As much as I love this black kitchen, because it has no handles, fingerprints show up every day. So I feel like I have to wipe these cabinets every day. Just in case you were wondering, the girls are making a Lego stop motion movie while I am cleaning, so they keep asking me to come and help them. So I was sort of cleaning while I helped them. But one of the things that I also like to do, I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but crumbs get into that utensil drawer, and because that's where our clean utensils go, I feel like it should be clean in there. So I'm just getting rid of all those little crumbs that have crept in and putting away our, knives and forks back in there once it's nice and clean.
We'll hit you like a domino. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. See what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino.
If you are not doing this already, this is one of my favorite tips, and that is to vacuum out your oven. All those little crumbs that you get in your oven, you can just vacuum them out, and then I just give it a quick wipe over and I never have to scrub my oven. Now, my little helper absolutely loves my Dyson, and so I have to barter with him to get a turn to actually vacuum the floors. So he's actually waiting not so patiently for me to be finished so that he can again vacuum the floors for me.
Easy to try. I can chase my heart away. Change my mind, it's still the same. Feeling in my heart, falling from the stars. The way you're going on and
So guys, the minimalist in me would love this table to be clear, but the mum who wants her kids to be book lovers knows that if we keep our library books out on the table, that they will read them more often.
why do we go on like this? Can we ever make it stop? But I'll be
So I wipe down my basin every single day, and I wipe down our shower doors a couple of times a week. I know that some of you don't like using chemicals, but for me in this stage of life with my preferences, I just cannot get away from some Pino Clean every now and again, and so I'm just using that as a multi-purpose cleaner, and then I use glass cleaner to keep my shower doors very clear. I am now just cleaning these back windows, and once a week I like to do a full clean on the windows. So I take them out of the windowsill and do both sides. This window was so ridiculously heavy. Oh my gosh, I should not have lifted it out on my own. But now it's done till next time.
so predictable.
This is where I dumped all the stuff after we got home from our holiday. So all the stuff that we'd bought back, as well as just our stuff from going away. So I am just going through it all, putting the shoes away, putting away the stuff that we want to keep. But in that box is a mixture of stuff that either needs to be donated or thrown away that we're no longer keeping. Going with my theme for keeping things in order, if I can avoid it coming into the house before, if it doesn't need to be in there, then I'm going to do it. So I'm just going through this stuff, that way I can get all of it that we're not going to use out and donated, and just bring in the stuff that we do want to keep. I absolutely love this area for my girls to craft. They can have slime, they can cut up all their paper, and it all stays out here on the cement floor. And then I just come out and sweep, and they tidy up when they're finished, but they can leave their projects there, and it is working beautifully.
Think you could save me. That was when you held my heart through. All I couldn't do, we were close to see.
Now that we have a larger bin, I rarely need to take it out. So when I do, I make sure I spray it down and give it a really good wipe out, change out the bin, and then everything smells way better, and I know that it's all fresh and clean to start again.
Every day you long for a little bit of touch, then you say we belong before the dawn. Till the dawn, until the dawn. We belong before the dawn.
It is almost 5 o'clock. I just got the little ones back from the playground. There is this cute playground near us that has a water table with sand and all these rock bed things that the kids set up shops and all sorts of things. So they had a couple of hours playing there this afternoon, and then because they were all sandy, I quickly chucked them in the shower since we got home. So I got a heap of cleaning done, which you have already seen from this morning. Before we left, I decided to put the dishwasher on because it was pretty full, because because of when we got back, we got out of a cycle. So I thought, look, I'll have all of this cleaned. I'm going to unstack this dishwasher, and then this evening, once I get the kids settled, we have game time and reading time. After that, I'm going to mop all the floors and do a quick once over in the kids' bathroom. But to be honest, guys, I have really done a lot of deep cleaning today, and we've still had plenty of time for adventures. And I find it quite therapeutic to mop when the kids are asleep, and then it's clean for the next day. So I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to quickly unstack this dishwasher, then we're going to have dinner.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe.
I always get lots of questions about my steam mop. The one that I have, I'll link it down below. It's by Vax, and I absolutely love it. I have tried every other kind of mop on the market, and this one is by far my favorite. I love that it cleans really, really well, but it also dries super fast. I love that it doesn't leave a sticky residue, and that all you need is steam to clean with. I don't use anything else except for water.
Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you glow. Slowly,
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our community. Here are some other videos we think you might like. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you'd like more videos like that. And I will catch you guys in the next one.